Thank you so much for being here and watching. So today is a first. I'm opening my first Poshmark beauty mystery box. So I've watched a lot of unboxings of like mystery boxes before, but I was always a little afraid of them because some were super good and some were like, oh my gosh, like used makeup crazy stuff going on, I don't know. But yeah, I'm really excited to see what we got today. I have high hopes for this box. I've been in communication with the Poshmarker who sold this box. She actually sells a wide range of mystery boxes. So the prices range from $20 to $100, and it seems like you get double the value, or you're supposed to at least based on the description of the boxes. So I will link the Poshmark page down below. I chose the $30 box, so I think I'm supposed to get $60 worth of value. And Millie is the name of the woman who runs this page, who put this box together, and she was super nice. We exchanged some emails. She asked me things about myself. I let her know that I wanted only cruelty-free makeup, and she even like checked with me about a brand, which I really appreciated. And she asked about my complexion, what kind of makeup I like, and all of that. So yeah, I think this is gonna be good, but we shall see. So let's get started. So when I open it up, this is what it looks like. There's a card that says, thank you for purchasing from Millie Holt. And then it talks about returning customers receive discounts. Check out my Poshmark store. And then it says, Kitty, thank you for your purchase, and lists all the items with the retail value. And like everything is individually wrapped, and there's another card here, but isn't that cute? So far, super cute presentation. Oh, look, there's a cute giraffe there. Oh, here's a card of Panda. And the note says, Kitty, thank you so much for supporting my small business. I hope you enjoy all of the products. Please tell your subscribers that are interested in purchasing a mystery box from my Poshmark to create a bundle and type the word Kitty in the comment section of the bundle. This will allow them to get a shipping discount. Thank you so much. Oh, thanks, Millie. That's super sweet. So if you guys are interested after watching this video, I'll leave all the directions she has said in the description box, so you'll get a shipping discount if you buy any of her mystery boxes. Let's get started. So this is what it looks like all wrapped up. So obviously Millie does know I have a channel. She actually reached out to me. She's a subscriber and asked if I was interested in a box. So I'm like, you know what? I am. All right, so we have something here by Urban Decay. This is a Liquid Aura Illuminating Mix-In Median. It's a weightless fluid foundation booster. Wow, I don't know anything about this. I've never tried something like this before. So on the back it says, transform your foundation and make perfecting your complexion a transcendental experience. That's a big word. Add a shot of this illuminating mix-in median to foundation for an instant glow. Iridescent pigments leave the skin looking luminous, dewy, and youthful. For an all-over brightening, mix 1 drop with Naked Skin liquid makeup or Naked Skin one and done, then apply it as usual. Can also be applied on top of foundation to add an extra highlight or on the cheekbones, bridge of the nose, or Cupid's bow. So it's like a highlighting fluid. This is what it looks like. Oh wow. And when I pick it up like this, it's a little messy. Let's just try and swatch a little bit. So that's what it looks like. And it is very shiny. So yeah, if you want to have a more luminous look in your foundation, you just add this in, or you could totally use this as a liquid highlight, I would think. Throwing it all over. Or maybe even as like a primer, like put this as a base. Okay, there's no glitter or anything like that. So cool, new product to try. Next up, oh, and I forgot she put the prices here. So the highlighter, that must be that item, is $16. And now we have something by Lancome here. This is the Monsieur Big Mascara. It looks like this is a deluxe size. Actually, Lancome isn't cruelty-free, but it's fine. I know that sometimes that could be hard. So I've heard good things about this mascara. So it says the retail value of this is $6.50. I'm not going to open it right now. Probably pass this on to one of you guys, who knows. But yeah, like I was saying, I've heard good things about this mascara. It says up to 12 times more volume, and it's up to 24-hour wear. So they have like an image there. I feel like they're always so dramatic, the differences. Like I wish mascara did that to my eyes. My eyelashes, my non-existent eyelashes. Next item, looks like we have a brush. So this is by Real Techniques, and this is their Brush Crush 303 contour brush. It says this is limited edition. And this is volume 1. Brush Crush is engineered for performance but designed to be Instagrammable. Like your latest lipstick shade, this crush isn't here to stay. Designed with salmon nick and inspired by the latest holographic pastel and glitter trends. So this brush has a retail value of $10. I love trying new brushes. Let's get this out. I do really love Real Techniques sponges. I think I've tried a couple of their brushes before. Not too many, so. Ooh, so it's pink and glittery. And this does seem like it would be a good contour brush. Cute. We have 2 more items. Next up we have a Smashbox Step by Step Contour Palette. It's funny, I used to have this, but I passed it on. So it has 3 shades, 1 to highlight and 1 to contour, bronze. So yeah, contour, bronze, and highlight. And there's a mirror. And this has a retail value of $12. And I feel like that would be a good shade. So let's do some swatches. So here are the swatches. You can't really see the highlight shade because it like matches my skin tone. Let's see what's in this last bag. Ooh, look, it's like cheetah print or leopard print. I don't know why I can never get the prints right. This is really exciting. This is by Natasha Denona. It's a mini Lila palette. So this is 5 eyeshadows. I already know the mini Natasha palettes are $25. Yeah, it says eyeshadow palette $25. Oh my god, saved the best item for last. I've heard good things about this palette. I think it's like a lot of purples and stuff like that, so let's get it out. How pretty. Oh my god, I'm so excited about this. Let's do some swatches. So it has the shade names on the back. Let me clean my hand off. Alright, let's do some swatching. So here are the first 3. And the last 2 shades. And here are the swatches. Not my best swatch work ever, but I think they all swatch out really well, and I can't wait to use these, especially the shimmers. They are so pretty. Awesome, so that was everything that came in the box. I have to say I'm definitely the most excited about this mini Natasha Denona palette. I can't wait to use this. The colors are right up my alley, so pretty. I feel like I will get a lot of use out of this. And then we got the Smashbox Contour Palette. I had this at some point and I passed it on, so I'm happy to have this again. I could try it out for myself. We have the Mini Mascara by Lancome and the Urban Decay Liquid Aura. And of course the brush, this pretty brush. So I think this is great, and I love that we can use the contour palette with the contour brush, like they were coordinated. So thank you, Millie, for this box. I'm so excited, especially for the eyeshadow palette. Again, if you guys are interested in shopping her Poshmark page for any of her mystery boxes, I will leave her link down below along with the instructions to get a discount on shipping. So I had the $30 box, and then I paid something for shipping, maybe like $7 shipping. So it came out to be like around $37 or $38 for all of this. The total retail value of this box was $69.50. And yeah, I'm super excited. So let me know your thoughts down below. Have you guys tried any Poshmark mystery boxes before? If so, please let me know your experience. And yeah, thank you guys for being here. Have a wonderful day. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.